JDCap26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And how you guys doing today? I hope you're doing okay. I got bit by a bee yesterday on the porch, right on the head. And let me see, it really hurt, let me tell you. Anyway, let's get to the video. I'm going to just do this video right here. And I'm going to, on the comments below, I'm going to show you the steps you need to take. A friend of mine had a question about OTC. He has an OTC card, and he didn't know how to use it on Walmart site. What you have to do is you have to log into the Walmart site, and you have to go to OTC and look for items that are OTC, which are over-the-counter items. Over-the-counter items are like Pepto-Bismol, witch hazel, things like that, that are medical. Okay, you can't like put shampoo on there or razor blades or anything like that. So you'll have a booklet that comes with that. But what I want to get to about this is you put all your items in the basket and you have them delivered to your house. Okay, if you have them delivered to your house, there is a charge, and a bag charge as well. So if you do that, you have to add a card in. You have to add your own card, like a credit card or a debit card, whatever, to pay for the delivery and the what do you call it? The bag. I'm sorry. And it'll tell you, add card in. That's for that. Okay, that's why it's not going through. Okay, and it could be that you have an item in there that's, a non-OTC item, over-the-counter item. So you got to watch that too. I want to do this video because he had such a hard time doing that, and I showed him how to do it, and he really appreciated my help. He had it delivered to his home, and you could also pick up at the store if you want. Pickup, I think, is free. You go to the store, you order everything, they have it for you at the curbside pickup. You could do that too, but if you want to have it delivered to your home, you have to add a card in for the delivery charge and the bag. If you have any questions about this, I'm going to put, the steps below in the comments for you. And I hope this helps you, and you have a great day. Thanks for watching.